Hey guys, so what is SEO? This SEO thing that Fuse here is always talking about. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, which essentially means there are things that you and I can do on our websites, our blogs, and even our social media to help search engines like Google, Pinterest, YouTube, even Clubhouse find us for our services, for our products, and for our information online. The word optimization tends to scare people, so I like to think of it as a boost, right? Let's say my tire is a little flat in my car, my tire is a little low in my car, and I want to take a trip. I take it so it could get filled up and give a boost. So there are things that you could do on your site to help speed up this process, because search engines do use a lot of factors in order to rank a website. You want to make sure that you are following the rules and get some brownie points with Google. So if you're brand new to SEO, I recommend that you sign up for my free keywords course so you can get started in building your keywords course, because SEO is definitely all about text.